Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Hearthstone game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in hearthstone.blizzard.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Blizzard Hearthstone. Now click on the account icon at the top section and then click on sign up. This will now take you into the sign up portal for battle.net. You can use your Google, Facebook, or other social accounts in order to sign up, or you may also enter your credentials manually. After entering your date of birth and choosing your country, click on continue and then enter your first and last name. Then proceed forward once again and you will be asked to enter your email address. Enter your email address and you may also enter your phone number, which is optional. Then continue forward and check the privacy policy and terms and condition checkboxes. Then click on agree and you will now be allowed to set up a password for your account. Go ahead and type in your account password that you wish to set and click on continue. You will now be asked to create your battle tag. After entering your desired battle tag, click on continue and you will now be told that your account has successfully been created. You can now download the battle.net application and log in using these credentials. Make sure to check your email in order to verify your newly created account. You will find a link within sent by battle.net. Click on this link and now your account is all ready to use. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account for the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.